My name is Mark Bennett. I am the lead web developer for the University of Central Florida. When I first came down from West Virginia, I got a job at University of Central Florida, and in that time I was looking for a place where I can meet new people in tech, find out more about Orlando. I went on Meetup and I found Bot, and I've been here ever since. I felt Bot served an underserved community, not only people of color, but people who are looking to transition to get into tech. We don't have a lot of that in this area of, okay, I want to get into tech. What is the organization who can show me all different types of fields in tech? Seeing the growth and the maturity of Bot. First, as a social event, to actually having organized structure as far as the nonprofit structure. Then you move into the workshops and the classes, and those were provided free of charge. People who want to learn AWS, or if you want to learn Salesforce, project management. So we offered a lot of free material for people who wanted to explore and get into tech or elevate their skills they already have. If I could describe Bot in one word, it'd probably be needed. Bot as an organization has helped propel a lot of people in underserved communities' careers. Now, working with founders and their products. So Bot provides a safe space and a launching pad for a lot of people.